Hello everyone! We continue working with the pattern for dresses with dolman sleeves. It took me very long to decide what dress to show you today. I'm going to show you a very simple design. I'll show you how to cut a dress, and I'm not even going to show you how to take it in order not to waste time. I'm going to show you how to make a long dress. What is good about this design is that this dress can be very useful in case you are invited somewhere unexpectedly, to a birthday, or to a theater, or restaurant, or something like that. It doesn't take long to make such dress. This is going to be a long, straight dress with a boat neck and dolman sleeves. This dress will look amazing with high heels. Such necklines are very good because you can wear any accessories. Brooches, flowers, necklaces, and so on. Have a look at the back. The neckline is pretty deep. It will look amazing. There will be a very high vent on the center back. The dress is very simple, but it will look amazing. There will be a seam on the center front. It will allow making the dress close-fitting here. The sleeves are the same. I think that I'll even make them shorter, like in the previous dress. First I need to pin the pattern, make it longer, and draw a boat neck collar. When I make the dress, I'll try it on for you to see how it looks like on me. I'll make the dress 1 meter long down from the waistline. I'll also add 3 centimeters for an overcast. You can make this dress as long as you want. I remind you that the original pattern was made a bit tighter at the bottom. This dress should be straight. I pinned the pattern, outlined the center front, and made the dress longer. Next I need to draw a boat neck. I made a triangle neckline in the previous dress. I'll start drawing the neckline from this point. Do not forget to measure 7 centimeters down from the original shoulder top. Draw a neckline this way. I think that 7 centimeters are too much. In this case, it's better to cut less than needed in order to be able to alter the neckline. This is going to be a very beautiful dress. I recommend everyone making such dresses. They are very convenient. Such simple designs allow wearing different beautiful accessories. You can look different each time you put the dress on. There will be a long vent on the back. You can make flared dresses if you want. I'll make it straight. This is how the boat neck looks like. The front is ready. Do not forget to make a notch on the waistline. This is the only way to make accurate items. The back pattern should also be made longer, just like the front one. I remind you that the dress will be 1 meter long down from the waistline. I made the center back longer. This is the waistline. The vent will start about 33 centimeters down from it. The fact that I made such a long vent doesn't mean that yours should be that long too. I remind you that the bottom will be overcast. The width of the vent will be 5 centimeters. When I try the dress on, you'll see how beautiful it is. Have a look here. You can see the back neckline I made for the previous dress. Today I want to make the back neckline deeper. The line should be slightly round, not like in the previous dress. Now I can start cutting the back. I'll make a space and seam on the vent. When you learn to make such dresses, you'll get rid of the fear that you have nothing to wear. I need to draw the side seam. I remind you that it should be straight. I think that the very first dress was very elegant, and this one is as well. Maybe I'll make this dress a bit more close-fitting. I'm not sure yet. I don't think that my waist is worth showing it. What should I do next? First of all, I need to tack the center back and the vent. What have I done? I made the dress longer, made a boat neck, and a vent on the back. That's it. I didn't have to change the pattern much. I'm taking the center back. The vent in my dress will be very long, but it's absolutely okay. Next, I need to make a space and seam on the center back in the vent. First, I need to pin it and trace it to the other side. I'll make the overcast later. Choose a suitable color for this dress. Make it black or dark blue, or of any color you like more. Choose accessories. You will look amazing. I remind you that the dresses for these tutorials were made of modeling fabrics. I've already showed you the dress with the turtleneck and pockets. I'm going to make the previous dress, the one with the circle skirt, and I think that I'll also make a short dress. It's very easy to sew when you have mock-ups. My friends once invited me for a dinner. Of course, I put on one of my best dresses. There also was a woman who came in a sweater. When she left, I asked why she was in such a strange sweater, and I was told that she had been wearing it for 18 years already. I stopped eating, opened my mouth, and was staring at everyone with my eyes opened wide. I even forgot to act normal. I can't understand everything, but I can't understand how can a person wear one and the same sweater for 18 years. Have a look here. I made the space and seams and the bow details. I did it in order for you to see everything clearly. The dress is almost ready. When I take it, I'll try it on. I'll also put high heels on, and I will try to find some matching accessories. The best thing is that even though this dress is simple, it doesn't look simple. Long, dark dresses make us look much slimmer. You can make a dark blue or black dress. It can also be beige or red. It will look amazing anyway. The band should be closed right over left, so I'm taking the right side. It's not hard to do it because I've made the space and seams. The vent really is high. I'll call it follow me vent. When you tack the vent, make sure that the seams are accurate. Only after that you can tack this part. Here it is. This is how the vent will look like. I'm not afraid of making such a high vent because the opening is not too wide. I remind you that the vent starts 43 cm down from the waist. I'm taking the center front. After that I'll tack the side and the shoulder seams. When I finish taking, I'll try the dress on. I'm not going to make this dress more close-fitting. It will look good this way. I think that I'll make this dress too. The side and the shoulder seams are ready. I'm taking the overcast. This dress will make me look... This dress will make me look taller and slimmer. You will look like a star in such dress. You can wear it to any special occasion. The dress looks amazing even though it's pretty simple. The only decorative detail on the front is the boat neck. The back is decorated with the band and the triangle neckline. This is the last dress I made using this pattern. Maybe I'll get back to this technique later. I showed you 10 different designs of the dresses on the basis of this pattern. I hope that you like the pattern and the dresses. You can make many more different dresses on its basis. Use your imagination. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.